In this video, I will be showing you how I use ChatGPT without logging in to get quick answers and summaries while keeping my session completely private. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll move my cursor down to the bottom left corner, click on my profile name, and select the Log Out option from the menu. Once I'm redirected to the main landing page, you can see that the interface remains active, allowing me to start using the tool immediately without ever signing back in. I'll click directly into the message bar and type out my request for a detailed summary of the best video editing AI in 2026. After I click the send arrow, ChatGPT will search the web in real time and provide a comprehensive list of recommendations tailored to my query. To organize these results more effectively for my research, I'll type a follow-up request asking for a comparison table of the top tools. After clicking send again, the AI quickly generates a clear, structured table that breaks down the specific features and strengths of each piece of software. This is the perfect way for me to get instant answers and data visualizations without the need to create or log into an account, making it ideal for fast, anonymous browsing sessions. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials just like this one.